Here's a few nutritional tips during an emergency or disaster. Eat at least one meal a day. Remember that the first few days of rationing food may be the most challenging, but your body and mind will adjust quickly. Try not to focus on the lack of food, rather appreciate every bite. Drink enough liquids to allow your body to function properly. A good idea is to monitor your urine. If you find that you're barely urinating or that your urine is dark yellow and concentrated, you may need to increase your water consumption. And consider taking a daily multivitamin to supplement your nutritional intake.